सीरियसली यार, सोच के देखो ना, तो ऐसा लगता है कि भाई क्या हिस्ट्री है, रिच, कल्चरली रिच कितनी ज़्यादा।
यार कल्चरली रिच तो बहुत है ही,
हाँ,
बट लुक एट दिस यार, इज सो ब्यूटीफुल। हाउ इंडियन कल्चर इज वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस, but this kind of creativity and amazing architecture, I don't think so you can find it anywhere. You might can, but this is top class, I think.
जैसे व्हेन आई वेंट टू कंबोडिया, अंकोर वाट जो वहाँ पे है, जो पूरा वो भी टेम्पल्स ही हैं, तो वो भी बहुत मतलब बेसिकली अगर उनके पास वो है ना तो हमारे पास ये है, लेकिन समहाउ हम इसको वैल्यू नहीं करते।
हाँ,
हम
but
इसके बारे में मतलब बाहर के लोग ज़्यादा जो है उनको दे नो
more
मोर अबाउट
about
दिस,
this place, yeah, correct.
like what we know about Khajuraho is Kama Sutra. That's where Kama
हाँ,
Sutra comes from.
exactly, that's it.
That's it. Like
And
people will
nobody
think, oh my
even,
God, acha, you're going there,
yeah,
and you know,
oh, those temples,
those
ah,
temples. Now, what's there to see? But this is there to see.
actually,
So I think people in India, we really need to learn how to appreciate
what we have,
what we have.
and it's beautiful.
Absolutely, so beautiful.
And people are so amazing here. I
Oh
mean, you
yes,
will see elderly, small kids, middle-aged people,
men, women.
everyone. They're so welcoming and so amazing. They
That's
will not.
it.
They will not even say, "Oh," like not even that frown on their face. They will always smile and they will greet you. Moreover,
Hmm.
that kind of that's the culture we have. But
We have
in
somehow lost it. We have forgotten it. It's not that it's not there anymore. It's
yeah,
just ki we need to bring it
back.
back. That's it.
We need to be nice.
Huh.
All we think about,
We have people have become selfish, yaar.
yeah, people
People
have
have
become
become
very
selfish. People have
selfish.
become materialistic. मेजरली ये हो गया है कि ना प्रेजेंट में इतना ज़्यादा जी रहे हैं, अपने बारे में इतना ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं कि आसपास क्या है वो दिख ही नहीं रहा, और दिख नहीं रहा इसलिए अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर पा रहे।
No, even people see it and they think that people have lost it. लगता है पागल हो गए हैं. What are they saying? यहाँ क्या है?
क्या है
What
क्या
is
है?
it? They don't see. They don't want to see the
हाँ,
beauty. For them, beauty is all about, big cars or maybe doing some, I don't know what.
villas, luxury villas and
That
all.
is
That's also
luxury.
fine,
That
you
is
know.
good, but
The thing
still.
is, हाँ कि
Yeah.
try and find the right balance. That's all. Like nobody is telling you कि
Yeah.
live like a destitute or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Live your life, absolutely live your life, but also just try and find the right balance. That's it.
No, I think balance is also very important, but the thing is to appreciate the beauty, because this has become, oh है तो सही, पेड़ तो है,
सही
ये
बात
तो
है.
है. This is like this gives you life.
Absolutely.
This
How
is
can you
life.
forget that?
This is life, and this is nature. This is the only planet we know as of now which can actually give us life,
Absolutely.
and it is so beautiful. People people don't connect to that thing, yeah. They don't. Some of them, sorry.
हाँ, we are not putting everybody in the same bracket.
Really matters and it really heals you.
Yes.
Once you start seeing the beauty in small little things, it will change your life for sure. People start looking for happiness outside. There is a lot of happiness, trust me, and it will give you real inner peace if you try if you're really trying to seek it.
So true.
It is not that you need a person or a human being. You can just be happy with a tree.
Yes.
You can be just happy with the beautiful view for some time, yeah. That's it.
Life is simple. Don't complicate it.
Yeah. Enough gyan for today. though, yeah.
Now let's just.
I want to lie down.
Lie
मन
down.
कर रहा है.
Go ahead.
किसी का वो भी है.
बिस्तरा.
Oh, there is moon.
वाह.